In case you're not able to select one, I will help you. And those who have been already assigned with a company, you can go ahead with your company, whichsoever has been assigned to you. This is the very first thing. Second thing, there are certain guidelines which your university has given. So there is word count limit also. Your project should be above 15,000 word count, and maximum is 30K, 30,000. So anything below 15,000 will get automatically rejected. So you need to be very careful with the word count wala thing. And there are certain other guidelines like plaque should be below 15%. So you need to check it at your end. You don't have to upload any report for plaque. Only you have to upload your final project report. That's it. No presentation is required. You will have a viva once your project has been evaluated and your marks have been entered in the portal. You have to go for a viva. Viva will be a one-on-one session, like the way we are having session in the same way, but it will be one-on-one session. And once your viva marks have been updated, you will get a project completion certificate from Collab. So whatever they have mentioned in guidelines, like whatever the font size, whatever the spacing format, everything you have to follow. Whatever chapters they have mentioned in template, you have to put those chapters only. Don't add on any any other chapter. The way like they have given introduction, then literature review, then RM data analysis. You have to put those chapters only. Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, so the very first thing is selecting a company or an industry. So just do some research and try to see whichsoever company suits well with your project title, and also check how much data is available publicly, so that you can match with the word count limit. Also, there is a weekly report section where you have to update your progress week wise. So you don't have to prepare any report for this. Only in two, three liners, you have to mention your progress. So soon after this session and before another one, whatever you have done in a week, you have to mention. Suppose you have started with introduction and you have selected a company, you can just mention there, you have started working on introduction and selected a company, that's enough. Also about evaluation process, once you have submitted your project report, firstly Collab will evaluate your report. Once they have approved it, it will come to me. I will review it, and then I will put your marks in the portal, and after that viva. So Collab usually evaluate it on the basis of the guidelines, like on the basis of word count, on the basis of format and flag and all those things. So any doubts, any questions, you can put your questions also if you have gone through template and guidelines. In case you're not able to put your mic on or something, you can put your questions in chat box. Also, I'm sharing my email ID and contact number. In case you have anything in between, so you can reach me out here. If you have completed any section and you want my feedback, so you can mail me and I will go through it and I will put my feedbacks as well. So about introduction, your introduction should be under 5 pages, not beyond that. Abstract is not needed, so don't put your efforts on abstract. You can straight away go to introduction after initial pages, like the very first with Amity logo and all the details, declaration, acknowledgement, table of content, list of figures, list of tables, then straight away to the introduction. For introduction, you have to keep it only for 5 pages. You can put things like a brief introduction about your project title, objectives, and a brief about the company or industry which you have selected, and then how this company or an industry is justifying this project title. So that will be more than enough for this particular section. Okay, your question is, so Sati Kuvar, right? Let me check your project title first. Your project title is Consumer Behavior in the Digital Age and Analysis of Social Media Influence. Right? Suppose you are doing it on e-commerce industry. So your project title could be like this: Consumer Behavior in the Digital Age and Analysis of Social Media Influence in e-commerce industry. Or it could be like a case study on e-commerce industry. Or if you want to go for a specific company, you can mention that also. I hope I have cleared your doubt. If not, you can put your question. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt, anything you want me to clarify, just put it so that in the next session we can go ahead with literature review and all those things. So literature review is little important because this is a theoretical section, and here you can put case studies, put previous research which studies or research which has been already done or is publicly available. You can put all those things, and then you can try to identify the gap, and it will be a basis for your research also. So this is a section where you can put as many as words you want to. You can cover up with the word count thing. So any doubts, anything, any questions from your end? Okay, so December 30th is a deadline, like as for now it's December 30th. So you don't have to wait till the deadline. In case you have completed, in case you have you want to submit your project, you can do that. And collab usually takes a week's time in evaluating the report. Once approved, I will evaluate it, and then we can go for Viva process. So very important thing is that ki just go through the guidelines thoroughly. Whatever things they have mentioned, just follow it, and start working on the things. In case you're not able to select a company or an industry, just write to me. I will try to help you out. And in case you are having any doubts, anything, you can either put it on group chat or email or WhatsApp as you wish. We will be having weekly sessions as well. I hope this time is fine with everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. So we'll be keeping session around this time only, and maybe on the same day, Saturday next week also. So by then, just start working on introduction thing and initial pages and all those things. Update weekly report, and in case you are having any doubts, come with that, and that's all. Put your things if you have anything. All right. So, in case you're not having any doubts, you can just drop the call and go ahead with your things. Start working on project, and see you all in the next session.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.